children? I hope you all are doing good and safe there. Children, all of you open your book A, that is page number 21. Children, you can see there a B-beat. What is that? Now read these lines from the story. These all are coming under vocabulary, okay? I can fly, but you cannot. Children, what the sentence is saying? I can fly, but you cannot. In this sentence, the word but is there. This sentence compares Binny and Emily. What it compares, children? The sentence compares about Binny and Emily. The word but is used to join two opposite ideas in the sentence. Which is used to join two opposite sentences in the sentences, ideas in the sentences, children? The word but. Okay. What word is used there? But is used to join two opposite ideas in the sentences. Here you have one example there after that sentence. What is that? Remy wrote a letter. Remy wrote a letter. She did not post it. What? Remy wrote a letter. She did not post it. You have to join these ideas in the sentences. With what you have to join the sentence? With but. Okay. Remy wrote a letter, but she did not post it. In between which word come there? That is but. Remy wrote a letter, but she did not post it. Here, the word but is used to join two opposite ideas in the sentences. Okay? Coming under next sentences, that is and. And is used to join two similar ideas in a sentence. And is also used to join items in a list. Which word is used to join two sentences, similar sentences ideas in a sentences, children? And is used to join items in a list. Example, here, Remy bought a pen. Remy bought a pen. Remy bought a pencil. This sentence you have to write with and. How you'll write? Now we'll see. Remy bought a pen and a pencil. You're not writing and Remy bought a pencil. You're forming a sentence like this. Remy bought a pen and a pencil. Okay, like that. One more example I will give. Suppose Rahul bought a pen. Rahul bought a pencil. Rahul bought a pen and a pencil. Like that you have to write the sentence. But and can also talk about one action after another. Which words can act one after another? But and. And but can also talk about one action after another. We'll see now. Here one more example is there. I slipped and fell down. I slipped and fell down. And the next word is I ran but couldn't catch the school bus. Here he slipped and he also fell down. I slipped and fell down. In the sentence and is there because he slipped and fell down. In the second sentence, I ran but couldn't catch the bus, school bus. What happened there? He ran but he couldn't catch the school bus. In the sentence, what you have to put? You have to put but, okay? Next, or is used while talking about different choices. Which one is used while talking about different choices, children? Or is used while talking about different choices. Example, should I eat an apple or an orange? What? Should I eat an apple or an orange? నేను యాపిల్ అన్న తినాలా ఆరెంజ్ అన్న తినాలా? Or you have to use or in that. Okay. Next. Should I eat an apple or an orange? Next. Join the sentences using and. What you have to use there? And you have to use. A bit. Sudha went to the shop. Sudha bought a chocolate. How you will form the sentence with and, children? You have to write like this. Sudha went to the shop and bought a chocolate. You should not write again Sudha. Okay? You should write like this only. Sudha went to the shop and bought a chocolate. Next. B. The boy closed the door. The boy went to shop. How you will write this sentence? The boy closed the door and went to sleep. You should not write and the boy. You should write only and went to sleep. The boy closed the door and went to sleep. Okay? Next, join the sentences using but. You have to use here but in this sentence. Okay? An elephant has big ears. An elephant has small eyes. What you have to use here? The word but you have to use. Now we will write like this. An elephant has big ears, but it has small eyes. You have to write like this. An elephant has big ears, but it has small eyes. Okay? But has small eyes. Next, the peacock has a beautiful tail. The pigeon has no tail. How you will write this sentence, children? The peacock has a beautiful tail, but the pigeon doesn't. Okay? Next. Join the sentences using or. You have to use or here. Do you want milk? Do you want fruit juice? How will you write the answer? Do you want milk or do you want fruit juice? You have to write sentence like this. You should not keep question mark after milk. Okay? Do you want milk or do you want fruit juice? After fruit juice, you have to put question mark. Okay? Will you come on Monday? Will you come on Tuesday? How you form this sentence with or? Will you come on Monday or will you come on Tuesday? Will you come on Monday or will you come on Tuesday? You have to put or in the middle of Monday. You should not put question mark after Monday. Okay? Fill in the blanks using and or but. Okay? Rubina fell from the tree and broke her leg. Next. My friend can sing. Dash she cannot paint. But she cannot paint. My friend can sing. But she cannot paint, it seems. Okay? Next. I like fish and chips. I like fish and chips. Okay? Next. Will you meet us today or tomorrow? The tomorrow after there is a question mark there. Will you meet us today or tomorrow? You have to write there or. Okay? My little sister can crawl, but she cannot talk. She can crawl, but she cannot talk, it seems. You should put there but. Next. My dad can play the drums and the guitar too. He can play the drums and also he can play the guitar. Here, in the sentence you have to put and. Okay? Next. What would you say in these sentences? Use and or and but. Your friend asks you for a blue crayon. You want to know which shade of blue he needs. How you write this sentence? Do you want light blue or dark blue? In this sentence, you have to ask a question. And which word is used there? Or is used. You have to write question like this. Do you want light blue or dark blue, like this. Okay. Next sentence. Your mother asked what you want for your birthday. And here the sentence is formed like this. I want a bicycle and a new dress. If you want a bicycle, you will ask like this, right? I want a bicycle and a new dress. In this sentence, what is used? It is used, that is and is used there. I want a bicycle and a new dress. He is asking his mother to buy a bicycle and a new dress. Next, you want to tell your mother that you went to the park but did not play with mud. How this sentence is formed? It is used in this sentence, but is used. I went to the park but I did not play with mud. How he is saying? I went to the park but I did not play with mud. Okay? Writing junction. Read these lines from the story. Binny flies away. Emily feels sad. A sentence is a group of words that tell a complete idea. It has two parts, a naming part and a telling part. Let us see this. Naming part. The naming part tells us who are, what the sentence is about. Example, Emily is an elephant. Children, what the naming part is saying? Naming part tells us who or what the sentence is about. Example, Emily is an elephant. Is Emily is an elephant? Yes, it is an elephant, children. What is the telling part? The telling part tells us different things about the naming word. Let us see now. I could describe a noun. Here, what is noun? Elephant. Example, Emily is an elephant. It comes under noun. Okay? Next. It could describe an action. What can describe an action? Example, Emily made new friends. It's an action saying like it describing action. Emily made new friends. Next, it could describe the action and the place of action too. Example, Emily and Totty are playing in the forest. It describes an action and also place of an action. Next, it could describe the action and the time of action too. Example, Emily plays with her friends in the evening. Here the time is evening time. Okay. Next, it could describe the place or location. Example, Emily's letter blocks are on the shelf. You saw in the previous class, in the previous video also you had seen that blocks are on the shelf like that. It could describe the time. What could describe the time? Emily's birthday party is at 5 o'clock in the evening. It is a time. Example is that. Okay. Next. Here, read the sentences, circle the naming part and underline the part in each sentence. What here you have to circle the naming parts. Okay. Emily is an elephant. Here, what is the naming part? Is there Emily. Emily is an elephant. You have to circle Emily. Okay. Next, Binny and Finny join the game. What you have to circle? You have to circle Binny and Finny. Next, Finny plays in the water. Naming part is Finny. Next, Sheila drinks milk at night. Here, Sheila. Sheila is the naming part. Hari likes to play football. What is that here? Naming part is Hari. Totty is walking in the garden. Totty is a name. So, here the naming part is Totty. Totty is walking in the garden. Next, Binny lives on a tree. Here, the name is Binny. So, naming part of this sentence is Binny. You have to circle Binny. Okay. Next, Binny walks to school. And again here also, the naming part is Binny. And you have to circle that. Next, children, the books are under the table. Here, what is the naming part? The books. The books are the naming part. The books are under the table. Okay. Next, my mother baked a cake on my birthday. Here, the naming part is my mother. Okay, you have to circle my mother in this sentence. Okay, next, and underlining the telling part, and remaining all are telling parts only. So you have to underline that. Is an elephant, join the game, plays in the water, drinks milk at night, likes to play football, walking in the garden, lives on a tree, walks to school, and under the table and baked a cake on my birthday. These all come under telling part. Okay? Children, do this work today and circle these all naming parts and underline the telling parts. Okay? And put it in the group. Thank you.